In this activity, second grade students are expected to generate numbers that are 100 more and 100 less than a given number. Please laminate this place value chart and provide a dry erase marker so that students place numbers here and show the number in base 10 symbols in these boxes. Today we will work on 581. So 581 has 5 hundreds. These are the 500s and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 ones, 8 tens, and 1 1. The focus is on 100 more and 100 less. So 100 more than 581 is we are adding another 100. So our focus is on hundreds place, and we are adding another one, and we have 681, and 100 less would be, this is 500, 581, 100 less is take away 100 from hundreds place, and you have 481. So the number is 581, and I place my 581 in place value chart. 1 ones, 8 tens, and 5 ones. As I said, this activity is 100 more and 100 less. That means my focus is on hundreds place. So 100 less than 581 is 100 less is 481. 81 remains as it is. 500, 100 taken away from 500. 100 more than 581 is 681. Let's pick another one. 273, 3 ones, 7 tens, and 2 hundreds. 100 less than 273 is 173, because 2 is reduced to 1. 100 more than 273 is 373. 2 plus 1. 486, 6 ones, 8 tens, and 4 hundreds. 100 less than 486 is 386. 100 more than 486 is 586. Excuse me. Let's take one last one. 777, 7 ones, 7 tens, and 7 hundreds. 100 less than 777 is 677. 100 more than 777 is 877. Directions help students work on this activity independently. Here is the hint. Make the hundreds place 1 less or 1 more to generate 100 more and 100 less than a given number. Teacher exemplar sets expectations and answers provide immediate feedback.